This is Net Terms Tracker, a complete B2B credit desk inside your Shopify admin. You approve customers for net 15, 30, or 60, set each one a credit limit, and the app enforces those limits at checkout, tracks every invoice, chases payment, and gives your buyers a self-service portal. In the next few minutes, I'll show you where everything lives. Each stop has its own detailed video when you're ready to go deeper. Setup is 2 steps, done once, and the app walks you through both with a built-in guide. Add a manual payment method called Net Terms in your Shopify payment settings, and confirm the Net Terms Gatekeeper customization is active. The yellow banner on your dashboard tracks it and disappears when you're done. 5 minutes, start to finish. This is home, the overview, your pending invoice count, your plan, and the reassuring one, automated reminders, active and monitoring, with nothing to configure. The 5 pages of the app sit in the left menu, and they're the next 5 stops. The Net Terms Manager is your credit desk. Every customer, 1 row each, status, limit, owed, available. Approving someone takes 2 clicks. Pick a term, approve, set the limit. Change terms or revoke anytime. And when an invoice goes overdue, the app suspends the customer for you and reinstates them when they settle up. The invoice log is your receivables. Every terms order becomes an invoice automatically. Right amount, right due date. Pending, paid, overdue, canceled. One glance tells you where the money is. Mark paid when the cash lands. Download any invoice as a branded PDF. Export the lot to CSV. Wholesale pricing gives customer groups their own prices. Tag a tier, pick a variant, set a flat price or a percentage off, and tagged buyers see their price in the cart automatically. No discount codes. Big catalog? Import the whole price list by CSV. Invoice customization makes the paperwork yours. Logo, brand color, business details, and the payment instructions wizard, where you tell buyers exactly how to pay, wire, check, or anything custom, with a live preview of what they'll see. The app never touches the money. Customers pay you directly, and you mark it paid. And your storefront? 2 theme blocks. The cart banner shows approved buyers their live credit. The finance dashboard page gives them their balance and invoice history, self-serve. At checkout, approved customers see Net Terms as a payment option, and a buyer over their limit doesn't. That's the gatekeeper. Every order, automatically. Pricing is simple. A free starter plan, 5 terms customers, manual approval, custom limits, and Pro at $29 a month for everything. Unlimited customers, the portal, branded PDFs, the wizard, automated reminders, and wholesale pricing. 30-day free trial, no card up front. That's the tour. Offer your B2B customers the terms they expect, keep complete control of your credit, and get paid without leaving Shopify. Install Net Terms Tracker from the App Store. And when you're setting up, the detailed videos take each page one at a time. See you there.